Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change heart rate zones in Strava. Before we begin, keep in mind that custom heart rate zone are Strava Premium feature, so you will need an active premium subscription to access these settings. First, just go ahead and open any web browser to your liking like Chrome, Firefox, and go to the Strava website. And after that, just go ahead and sign in with your account. And once that you have signed in, you will land in this dashboard. Now at the top right, just go ahead and hover over your profile and go to Settings. And once the setting loads from the left-hand menu, just go ahead and go to my Performance section. And here, as you can see, I don't have Strava Premium, but if you have, you will see an option for heart rate zones. Inside this section, select the custom option to enable manual heart rate zone editing. Now you can drag the slider to adjust each heart rate zone based on your values that you want to use. As you move the slider, the heart rate number will change. As you move the sliders, the heart rate number underneath will automatically update. A good idea is to start adjusting from zone 5 and then work your way down through the entire other zones. Once you finish setting your preferred zone, just click on Save to apply your changes. So the simple rule is Strava Premium allows you to create custom heart rate zones by adjusting slider inside the performance settings. And that's it. We just learned how to change heart rate zone on Strava. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.